Hi everyone, let's dive into the top features of Easy Fold-A-Door. Smooth operation with virtually unlimited fold options. Our commercial-grade heavy-duty bottom and top rollers, equipped with stainless steel sealed bearings, make opening and closing the door a breeze. Plus, our unique HD track system takes it to the next level, evenly distributing the panel weight between top and bottom rollers for ultra-smooth movement. With our freeway fold system, transitioning between indoor and outdoor spaces has never been easier. And when you need more room, just stack the doors neatly to maximize your space. The tallest folding doors in the industry. Need height? We've got you covered. Easy Fold-A-Door reaches up to a record-breaking 23 feet, while still gliding effortlessly, no matter the size. Safety first, patented finger-safe seals and tempered glass. No more worries about pinched fingers. Our patented finger-safe seals provide airtight protection while keeping everyone safe. Plus, our folding doors are so easy to use. Even a 5-year-old can open them. And with tempered safety glass, they're built to last. Retractable insect screen. Fresh air in, bugs out. Our sleek retractable screen blends perfectly with your Easy Fold-A-Door, giving you the best of both worlds, comfort and protection without the hassle. Premium build and stylish finishes. Customization is key. Our folding systems are designed to fit your vision. And when it comes to looks, you've got choices. Over 2,600 colors with Fropon PVDF resin coatings and nearly 100 acrylic composite foils that mimic natural wood, metal, or concrete. Egress door. This is your daily egress door, designed for easy access without needing to open all the panels. It comes with a key-operated deadbolt for security, and from the inside, you can simply turn the lock for quick and secure access. Certifications. Easy Fold-A-Door meets the highest industry standards with verified certifications, including NFRC certification, Miami-Dade approval, and compliance with California's Title 24. Plus more. Built for performance, delivering quality you can trust. Industry-leading warranties. We stand by our products with unbeatable warranties. Lifetime coverage on rollers and hinges, 20 years on glass, and 10 years on frames and finishes. That's durability you can count on. Upgrade your space with Easy Fold-A-Door, where style, innovation, and performance come together effortlessly.